I'm Joel Cotton, and I'm here to show you how to quickly cut a memory foam or a foam pad to fit a certain situation. In this case, I have an old foam pad for my rooftop tent, and there's corners cut out of it for the hydraulic arms. So I marked this one, and I'm going to cut it with my Ryobi Saber saw. First, mark your pad with a marker. Okay, I set it on the old pad so I don't hit the cement of the The edges are slightly rough. The top's not too bad, but I'm going to put a cover on it anyway that I sewed. So that's how you cut foam with a saber saw.